Do you want to know how to get consistent faces in all of your shots for your story? Use a well-known celebrity within the prompt. It works a treat. Yes, we may end up with issues somewhere down the line about celebrity images being used, but I got around that by blending two celebrities together. For a while, I was using Margot Robbie and Kate Beckinsale, but there were two problems with that. The first problem was it was hit and miss as to whether I got blonde or brunette, and I needed the character to be brunette consistently. So in the end, I changed it to a blend of Jenna Ortega and Kate Beckinsale. They're both brunette. And you end up with this beautiful girl who is brunette. But the other problem was, sometimes I'd end up with two separate characters instead of one blended character. I found that this was solved if I changed "and" to "blended with." Like Jenna Ortega blended with Kate Beckinsale. That's the way to consistently use two celebrities and end up with one image of one person. So that's the secret to consistent faces. There are other methods too, but for me, that one absolutely every time nails it. I am on a quest to get my movie made. This is my screenplay. It took me 10 years to write. I love it. If you're like me, you may have a screenplay too, or maybe it's a novel, or maybe another kind of story that you would love to see turned into a movie, but it's just not likely to make it going the traditional route. So this channel is all about my quest to see if I can get my movie turned into an actual movie, not just a screenplay, using emerging AI technology and other technologies like it. This is my journey. If you are the kind of person who's also on the same journey, then I'm not going to say it out loud, just, press the button, just join me.